we'll start with DC voltage regulator. Voltage regulator plays a very important role in powering the electronic circuitry. So usually your power supply is a DC voltage source, which we usually consider batteries for it. Now, this DC voltage is obtained from AC mains by means of rectification process. So, if we look into this diagram, we have DC obtained from AC. So, initially the input, which is 230 volt 50 Hertz, is given to a transformer. This transformer, either a step up or step down, usually a step down transformer, which gets the input 230 volt to a lesser value, is given to the rectifier, which produces a pulsating DC. So the output of the rectifier, as we have studied in the basics, gives you a pulsating DC. So to obtain a pure DC, we use a filter. So this filter can be either a capacitor filter or a combination of inductor and capacitor filter or an inductive filter. So this filter, as you can observe in this diagram, the filter output is unregulated DC. Unregulated DC means it is not constant, it is varying. Whenever your input voltage, whenever this input voltage is going to vary, the output voltage at the ripple, is also going to vary. So that is why you call it as an unregulated DC output. So this unregulated DC output also contains ripples. The filter will not eliminate your 100% ripples. So you have ripples in the filter, output of the filter. So we use this voltage regulator so that you obtain a constant DC or you obtain a stable DC voltage, irrespective of the variations in the input or irrespective of the variations at the load side. So the function of voltage regulator is to give a constant DC irrespective of any changes at the input, that is AC supply, and any changes in the load. So there are some performance parameters which will measure the ability of this regulator to provide a constant DC voltage. So the rectifier which we are going to use here is either a half wave rectifier or a full wave rectifier. Usually we go for a full wave rectifier or a bridge rectifier so that the ripples is very less compared to half wave rectifier. So the input to the regulator is unregulated DC voltage. The input to the regulator is unregulated DC voltage, whereas the output should be regulated DC voltage. So the regulator also reduces the ripple of the supply. So you can observe here a constant DC. The performance parameters of voltage regulator will be seen in the next video.